everyone, welcome back. I wanted to share with you today my design team project for Luise Heinzl. It's something a little different that I've made using this partial bits of her kit. The kit is called Urban Mirror, and I will put the link to her Etsy shop in the comments of this video. Now, the reason I like this kit so much is because it's not just your average digital kit like you see on Etsy. Some of the pages that she's done are actually 3D canvases that she's made, which is then scanned in and made into a digital print. So it's her artwork that's been put into digital format, which is what I really like. And this kit is really very different to what you normally see. The colors are quite maybe dark and grungy, but there's just so much you can do with them. I've made a really quick project using just 2 of the pages. This is a good way to maybe use pages if you have a few left over from a kit or you don't want to make a full journal. So I'll show you what I've done. I've made these giant altered cards with a pocket. Now the card I'm using is this giant playing card. I actually found these in a little, I think it was like a $2 shop. I cannot find them anymore, and if I ever find them again, I'll buy another box full because they are really, really cute and really handy, and they make for different projects. So this is what I've used. So you can see that what I did first is I did some layering with some gesso. I've put some tissue paper at the back, which is the dress pattern tissue paper, which I layered up, and also did some distress ink around the edges just to give it that feel, and splattered some black paint. I then used the part of her kit that I've used. You can see this is the building, which I've cut out and stuck down. Now this is the portion from her canvas, and you can actually see, and if you see on her Instagram, when she has done this, when it's actually like the corrugated cardboard that she's used, you can actually see how it shines through here, and it's really, really effective. So that's the one building, and this one is this statue, which goes down to a butterfly, if you can see here, and then these butterflies I've cut out too. So I've stuck those down. I then just did some black watercolor just to allow the artwork to pop through. I've done some black stitching around and added the vellum pocket. And then I've also made 2 little tags. These tags are also from the kit. It's just a portion of each of the pages. I've made little tags with the tie. And then I've just used some cardstock that I had that I thought matched. It's like a brick and a stripe. I've put a little ruffle at the top. And then I just add those in as little journaling spots. Now these are perfect for you to pop into a journal just as is, like this. You can just pop it in between to add more things into the pockets. You can also decorate the back. I haven't done in these, but I probably will eventually. Before I put them into my journal, I'll probably decorate the back as well. You can also make them double-sided. But this is what I've done. It was quite a quick project. I think it only took me maybe an hour and a half, so that's quick for me. I'm not sure quite how fast you work, but I enjoyed doing that. It's something different, and you can make it really work with any design or element. And like I said earlier, if you have printed a digital kit and have a few elements left over, you can still use those up. So this is the Urban Mirror by Luise Heinzl, and I'll put the link and all the details in the comments, in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you've had some inspiration, and I'll see you soon. Bye.